Welcome to RC fans. I made this small trolley with 4 tires which is for trailer bike. It's beautiful and mounted on the back of a Land Cruiser. It can carry a lot of weight and can be lifted easily. Its tires are very good and excellent type that can lift a lot of weight. It has neither tube or air. This little trolley is very useful for Land Cruiser, Offroader and Jeep. It looks great behind them and can carry a lot of weight from one place to another. If I put my little one on top of it and get out, we have locked it on the stand and will lift the bike up. And this little trolley in carrying will help the bike up. You can see how easily I carrying it on top of this trolley. This is our trailer bike. It's just like a real motorcycle. It also has a small stand that will support it to stand. Please like this video. You see, I put my bike on top of it. It looks great. I will take it. And it looks like it rides in the desert of Dubai. Bike trolley and Land Cruiser. And if you want to watch and Land Cruiser off-roader video, subscribe to our channel. I have uploaded a video of the off-road Land Cruiser on the same channel. If you want to watch, you can watch it. The motorcycle is placed on top of the trolley in front of you and will run now. This beautiful off-roader trailer bike has fallen due to its low weight, but now we will continue to drive it. This trailer bike is very powerful, which is used in mud, off-road and stunt roads. It is also used in the desert and on the most difficult roads. The most important thing is that it can be easily run in the mountains. This bike is not very expensive. You can easily afford it. Thanks for watching.